Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're going to talk about how to use free modeling function or to build this staircase. Okay. Uh, so let's delete everything first, or I will continue here. On this one, I will delete everything. Okay. This one is the staircase. Delete. Okay. No. This one. Go inside, delete first, then I'll start again. Delete everything. Okay. Okay, before we continue, we'll need to build a wall here lah. Same thing, go to 2D. We'll need to build a wall here for the storeroom. Okay. So we drag this one, floor, then we come to here, column, drag it out, okay, then change the size, so maybe this one untick first, okay, this one we make it, okay, this one we make it 1200, 1500, okay. Then the size here, this one we change to 240. I'll follow back this one. Okay. Here the distance we give it 1200. Okay. Then you simply drag a door. Simply drag a door. Put here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start. Okay, so now you can come to this one called free modeling. Now click on it. Click on this one, living room, or full space. I'll select full space. Come to here. Okay, in here you will see this one, the model or any model you want. You can use landscape model or the example for the staircase. You can see example of the staircase, different pattern. Okay. Okay. So this one you can drag out and ungroup it and use it okay. But now follow me first. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna learn from here the button. Okay. So in here you will see import. Okay, this button can help you import DWG file, SKP file, and DXF file. So let's say we import a DXF file. Okay. I'll use this. Okay. Open. Okay, once you finish pricing, you will see something like this. Or any pattern you like. Okay, let's say this one I don't want, delete. Or the whole thing I don't want, delete. Okay, you can import another thing. Something like this. Or then you can modify it also once you click on it. Okay, this is just a surface. So if you don't like, you can delete it. Okay. Another one is this one. Import. Here you may see SKP file. Okay, we import SKP file. Open. You see the sofa here. This sofa you can modify it also. You can click on it, ungroup it, select it, ungroup it, select it. If you don't like it, you can delete it. So this is SKP file. So I'll just show you. Or if you don't mind, you can delete it. Okay. By using this button import. Okay. Coming up, we have this undo or undo button and redo button. And here we have draw. Draw is line. So let's say you want to draw line, you can click the button L on your keyboard. Okay, draw anything you like. Become a surface. Remember, this one line to line become a surface. Okay, you can press R button also to rectangle. You see rectangle surface. Okay, then you key in at the bottom here. You see length and width. So you key in. Okay, let's say I put 1000. Then I click tab. It will switch to white. Then 2000. Enter. Okay. The surface. And this one is the polygon. You can click on here, or you can change the edge of the polygon. You can make it 8. Also can. Okay. It's just surface lah. Okay, at the size you can key in also. So polygon or circle, they are same also, just polygon got edge. This one is the radius, you can key in like 600, enter. Okay. And the last one is art. Okay, art you can change. So let's say this surface is a rectangle. So let's say here I want to make it curve. Then I can click on here to here, create a surface. Okay. So maybe this one not enough line, then I draw back. Or I'll draw back the line. And remember, it's just a line only and surface. So you can simply select the line you don't want, you delete. Then become one surface. See? Or you can create anything or draw anything with this button on the surface first. Then you use this button called touch. Okay, this touch you can press keyboard F. You will see the same thing. Or then you key in like 200. You see the thing come out 200. Okay, touch. Okay. So for touch, you also can see this button F, or you click on F. You will see at the bottom here called, if you click on switch. Okay, so what is switch? Click on shift button, you will see across there, add another touch surface. So here you will see 2 layers. Or if you don't have switch button, you add surface, it just increase only. Okay, this help you to create another surface. Okay, shift. If you don't have, then just add only or increase the surface. Touch. Another one is move. Okay, move, you can move the surface like this. Click on it, click on the button M, you will see move. Okay, same thing. Okay, if you want to move the item, right, make sure you group it lah. Like I told you, this one it's only surface. If you group it, it become model. Okay, let's say I group it. Okay, group it. Okay, become a model. This one is a surface. See, the circle is a surface. So this model, if I want to move it, I can click on it, press M. Then I can move it anywhere I like. This one another surface maybe within group it, so never mind, delete. Okay, remember group it first, or then you can move it. Okay, or if you didn't group it, then you move it, you will become surface only. Okay, only surface will be moved. See the pattern. Or you can do a lot of pattern. Another thing also can. Okay, move. And the move also you can press shift lah. As you can see M here, shift is copy. So I move already, shift M, then I press shift button. Select it. Select it, press M, press shift. So you can copy. Even the surface also, shift, then you move it. It's a copy. Or you can draw the pattern, then if you want, you can press M, shift, you can copy the surface. Okay, then do any design you want. Okay. Move. And this one is offset. So offset, you can press button O. Or you see the offset the surface only. You only can offset the surface. Okay. Then maybe you search to do other pattern. See, offset O. Okay, any comment you can see at the bottom here. And this one zoom, you can zoom. Okay, you can press Z or Z to zoom in. Okay, you see cannot zoom on the Z. Yeah. Or cannot zoom on the art. Okay, this one is art cannot. Okay, you can zoom on here. But with the face only, you see this one is a group. So I need to ungroup it. So you make sure you know the theory. You must group everything. The thing you've done, you must group it. Okay. So click on it, ungroup it. Then maybe I click this one, zoom, or adjust it. See? Do other pattern. Okay. After that, you can try this button or loop. This loop here, you need to select surface. So let's say this is the face or the circle one. Okay. Select this surface, then I come to roof. I see. The hidden one will become you can use. Okay. Make sure you select surface, then only can apply roof. Okay. So I click on it. So for roof, I'll simply do with the pattern you want, or you can use cornice line or decorative line, any pattern you want. Just for the curve lah. No. Okay, let's say this one. Choose. Then click on it. You can rotate it. See? Different pattern. Okay, you can change the size. Okay, maybe 30. Rotate it again. Anything lah, you can try here the button. Okay, so remember, if you want to exit, press exit button. Okay, then only you can do other things. Okay, remember, press exit button. If you didn't press exit button like this, then you select other thing you cannot do or you cannot use. So remember, exit. Okay, after that we have this button called roof. This button called part scale up. Okay, this part scale, you can click on it. You can draw the line to do the scale up. Okay, let's say draw a line here. This one maybe I choose skirting. Skirting. Simply choose one of the pattern. Choose. I see skirting. Okay. Same theory. This one you click on it, you will see this one. Okay. So you can rotate it, mirror it, how you like. Okay. So if you don't want it, you want to exit, you may exit first or press exit button. If you don't want it, you need to select it, press delete. Okay, so make sure you select it, then only you see this button, then you press delete if you don't want the pattern. Okay, zoom in a bit, select it, then press delete. Okay, remember exit lah. So coming up, we have another one, is this one, the text. Okay, so the text here you can type ABC, anything you like. You can adjust the font, or this one I'll put 300. Okay, then place it. Okay, so after that, place it. Then we see something like this. Also, this is the words lah, or the words. You can adjust the size, everything here, or even the length or the words. Okay, or you can ungroup it, modify it also can. Okay, it's still up to you. Okay, another button is this one, or auxiliary, or this one help you to measure the distance. Let's say I want the thing come up from the wall 1000, then I type 1000, enter. Okay, this one I want come up a distance like 1200, I enter. So you have a point here. Okay, if you don't want the auxiliary, you can clear all. This one is the measurement, or you can measure the size of the modeling you have done. So you can see this one is the size. Okay, this one 2000 is the size. So follow me, or we're gonna create a staircase. This one, all the thing here, delete. Okay, just highlight it, press delete button. Okay, finish. Okay, we're gonna start with a staircase, but before that, we're gonna need to use this one called auxiliary to plot the dimension, the dimension. Okay, so we plot the dimension first. Okay, add auxiliary. Okay, add here, then come to this one. Oh, this one is the length. This one here, or the staircase we do until here, then here we do another one. So we just plot it. Okay, so make sure the computer know it. Here we give it 1200 or 1200. Okay, so distance come to here, and okay, this one add another one or put here. Okay, so we can build a staircase until here, or the staircase until here. Okay. Okay, continue. Now we're gonna start by using draw. Okay, they have a lot method to draw, but this is just one of the method. So I use rectangle, follow this one here. Okay, so once I draw right here, this one I'll give it 240, right? Never mind, or we can edit anytime. Okay, so maybe this one I want it extend a bit like this one 240, maybe I want 300 or the gap here. So I'll move it, select it, move it, or maybe I move 240, right? I move 60 or 60. Okay, then I draw one line here. Okay, so later we can sturge it up. Okay, we sturge it up first lah. Or once you're done drawing, okay, we sturge it up. Okay, sturge it up. The distance I put 250. Okay, 250. Then here we draw another one. Okay, so here we select the line. Then we press M and Shift to copy the one. I'll move it to here. Give a distance. Distance I put 300 for a step. Okay. Then this one here we increase it again. So make a few steps. This one I put two. How much? Sorry, I check again. Measurement. Let's check this one. How much? 250. Okay, so I do again now. This one 250. Oh, there are a lot of method to create the stair, but what to say? You can use any method. This is just one of the method. And remember, this one is created by surface. So this one, the line, if you don't like, you can delete, select it. This one is a surface. And remember one thing, I'll show you something. So let's say I draw a rectangle here on the surface. It usually will affect, okay? However, if you group it, or once you're done, you group it like this, okay? Then when you draw something near the surface, okay, it cannot affect. Okay, so make sure you understand, or remember group it, okay. So after that, we continue to draw the step, of the staircase. Okay, continue to draw the step. So I'll use line. Okay, we continue here. 250. Remember the line must be color. This one is blue, correct? Okay. Okay, again. Blue color 250. Enter. Okay. And here, okay, I delete first in case something went wrong. Just Control, select it, delete. Okay. Okay. So make sure you are in the right angle like me. Okay. Then remember I told you right, this one here, green, blue, and red have meaning. Okay. So here, if you see blue line, that means you are in the right direction. Okay. So let's see this one, line. Okay. Go up, 250, enter. Green color, correct. Then this one green color, I put 300, a step. Okay. Same thing, 250 or green color, 300. Okay. Blue color, 250. Okay. Green color, 300. Repeat lah, or repeat the step. Okay, until you're done to the line there. So I'll repeat first. 250, 300. Make sure the color is correct, or else right, you will find something weird happen. Okay, you don't even understand why. It's not in the right surface and angle. Okay, 250, 300. Blue color, 250, 300. Okay, 250, 300. Okay, then after that come down. Remember, come down. Come back here. Okay. Once you see it's a surface, then complete. Remember, you must see a surface like this. Select it, become a surface. That means you done it right. Okay. Okay, after that, we come to this one now. Remember one thing now, group it. Okay, like this one we group already. So this one we will search first, then later we group it also. So we start this one, 1200, 1200. Then we'll come to here. Okay, come to here. We search again. Come to here, search until here. Okay. Never mind, exit or what also can. Okay. Then remember, select it. Group it. Okay, remember, group it. Okay, you can group like this. Okay, you can group like this. Okay, control, select it. Okay, then this one, if you don't want, you can control deselect. Okay, you deselect it, then here we group it. This one become one group. So later you draw anything won't affect it. Okay, remember this one. So now we're gonna draw another one here, or just for the railing things. Okay, then okay, first we block the dot. First one, this one auxiliary add. So this one we select here. So make sure this one line here. Okay. Then we go up. Here we select another one. Then we add one more in here. Add one more in here. This one, midpoint intersect. Okay. So after that, we just use rectangle. Just use rectangle to draw here. This one rectangle you can draw from here to here. Okay. Then we're gonna search it. Okay. If you want accurate, then you can just use measurement to measure the distance first before you search it. Okay. So again, measure, select it, midpoint, select, then come to 3000. Okay, it's 3000. So I will just search this thing to 3000. It will be more accurate. Okay, or else you just agak do it also can. Okay, there are no mistake. Okay, so after done with this one, right, the thing we need to do is use line. Okay, to add the line. Okay, add the line here to here, or one and to here. Okay. Okay, make sure your line are complete in here. Okay, if the angle not correct, then you adjust it. Okay, so make sure something like this. Once it's done, something like this. Okay, sometimes if you change the angle, it will be accurate also. Or sometimes if you cannot draw, you change the angle. Okay, so this one will be okay. I'll go down a bit, go in front a bit here. Okay, then this one I'll go to here. Here. Go to here. And this one I go to here. Okay, right click. So I stretch it. Okay, so before I stretch it, I must know this one how much. Okay, measure it. This one how much? 240. So I just stretch it. 240. Okay. Then the surface, if you don't want, you can delete. Or the one you can delete. Okay, the one you can delete the surface. The one you can delete. Line the one you can delete also. Okay. Press delete. Press delete button. Okay. And this dot line, if you don't like it, you can clear all already because we have done with the pattern. Okay. So that's all. We're almost done. Okay. Before we continue, we need to group it lah. Remember, I told you, once you're done with the model, you must group it. So this one, deselect, deselect. Okay. Control select it, then Control deselect, deselect. Okay. This one make it a group. Okay. It's a group. It's a group. Okay. So you can move it. Or you see, you can move it. And you can move it like this. Okay. So press Z, Control Z, or move it back. Okay. Now we return, or I'm going to teach you how to put material here, or material. Okay. So you will see material. In here you can see material. Let's say I want some wood material apply on the wall. Then I will go for crowd here. Then others, maybe universal material. Okay. So I drag this one. You just drag only, or it will apply. Okay, just drag only, don't worry about that. If you want to apply all the surface, you see this one is one surface only. If you want to apply to all surface, you can press Ctrl to apply to all surface. Okay, I'll repeat. You see, let's say tiles. Okay, floor tiles. I think this one should be okay. No, this one cannot see the pattern. I want to find something but line, then you can see the pattern. This one. This one. Okay. So if you want to apply to the whole model, you may press Ctrl. I repeat, press Ctrl. Okay. Press Ctrl or apply to the whole model. Or else you will apply surface only. Okay. And if you want to edit the texture or edit the texture, right, you can select the surface. Here you can change the size. Okay, even you change the tile size, you can change the size here also. Okay, and you can adjust in here. Adjust in here. Okay. See? Yeah, adjust in here. This one you can adjust also. Okay, if you don't want the texture, you can rotate the texture also, guys. Here, when you see this one I select, right? You see this one, product info. You also can rotate your texture here. Just click this button only. Okay, if you don't like it, you can delete the texture or only the surface. Then you can drag back. Okay. Okay. So that's all for free modeling. Okay. And for the railing now, we're gonna use this one now. Remember, I told you the glass railing. Okay. So we use this one, system cabinet, or what we done on the last chapter or on the last module. So we move it up. Press Z. Okay. Press Z. Z. X. Or rotate it first. Rotate it 90 degrees. Okay. Then we press this one 90 degrees. Okay. Rotate again 180. Okay. Then Z, move. Just move it. Move it up. Okay. So this one you must calculate lah. Maybe I one I did something wrong, but never mind. Okay, copy another one. Ctrl V, copy another mirror and a glass, or move it. Move it in. Okay, move it in. Move it up. Kind of like this fashion. I think until here we'll have the the thing, the ceiling cover it. So we're until here. Just want to make it lower a bit. Lower a bit. Lower a bit. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for